So this is where my car's been sitting, waiting for me. I'm gonna finally get it back into the shop. I'm gonna scuff everything up, get it ready for paint. Decided on repainting the whole entire car. There's a lot of like scratches like right here on the fender and stuff. Needs to be repainted. And it's just kind of hard to match paints, or match silver at least. So I just decided I'm gonna repaint the whole car. Here's another dent here. And then there's a dent here. It needs to be repainted, smooth out bodywork. So yeah, I'm gonna disassemble everything and then sand it all down, get it ready for paint. Here's another spot right here. Right here, deep scratch. So yeah, I'm just gonna repaint this whole car, do body work everywhere, make it look really nice, and obviously paint the body kit. So yeah, I'm gonna get it in the shop and I'll see you guys there. So the car's in the shop now. I'm gonna start disassembling everything. I already got the roof off, got a couple panels off, taking apart the hood. I got pretty much the whole rear end disassembled. Just gotta take off the bumpers and stuff. But I noticed I had a little mouse living in here while it was parked outside, which sucks. I hope it didn't eat any of the wires. Hope everything's good there. And that would explain the smell. I got in my car and it smelled so bad. But I'll clean all that up, get rid of the smell, and hopefully the mouse is left. But yeah, that sucks. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. I'm gonna start disassembling everything else on the car before we start sanding it. So I got everything sanded off the body pretty much. Just need to do Bondo now and fill in all the little dents and dings to make it look nice, clean. I'm gonna save that for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. It'd be awesome if you guys subscribed. Helps me out a lot, keeps me motivated to upload videos. So if you guys enjoy the content and you enjoy the videos, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 1,000 subs. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.